This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This delightful 2-bedroom/2-bath home is sited on an oversized double lot surrounded by nature's beauty. The great room features 2 overhead skylights that enhance the vaulted ceilings. Glass sliding doors offer tranquil views of the lushly planted cottage garden. The recently remodeled Galley Style Kitchen offers white cabinetry with a decorative tile backsplash, new lighting, upgraded Kitchen Appliance Package and a breakfast bar. The bonus room, currently being used as a formal dining room, allows direct access to the patio. The master bedroom suite offers dual closets and is painted in a neutral palette. The renovated master bathroom features a custom stained glass entrance door adorned with a Dragonfly Motif. Comfort Height Vanity with Quartz Countertop complete the Ensuite Bath. Other amenities include a laundry pantry with washer and dryer, 2 linen closets for your storage needs, new vinyl plank floor throughout the main living areas, bedroom number 2 with walnut wood flooring, new Low-E Double Pane Windows, Levolor Cellular Shades, new HVAC System with Purifying UV Light, gutters, glass front storm door, and tiled entrance, fenced-in yard, freezer, 1-car garage with built-in cabinetry and a 20x20 workshop. For your outdoor entertainment, there is a Backyard Oasis featuring a 10x20 covered deck with a hot tub surrounded by mature plantings. This fantastic property is just minutes from the public boat ramp with access to Lake Pierce and within a short commute to shopping, restaurants and downtown amenities. For more information, review